Hi guys, welcome to my channel Finfluence, and today we discuss about the Marico Limited. Marico Limited is one of India's leading consumer goods company operating in global beauty and wellness category. It is present over 25 countries and having brand across category in hair, skin care, edible oils, healthy foods, man grooming, etc. This is not a stock recommendation. Please do research and invest accordingly. These are the business segments: the coconut oil, refined edible oil, hair oil, personal care, and food. Company operating in 5 segments. And here is the revenue structure: 75% revenue coming from India and 25% from international market. Coconut oil contribute 37% of Indian revenue, 23% contributed by refined edible oil, food contribute 8%, personal care 7%. The major country contribute to the revenue is 48%, Bangladesh, and Southeast Asia contribute 24%, Middle East, North Africa 14%, South Africa 7%, and 7% contributed by other. And now look at the Indian brands of Marico. So first famous brand is Saffola. Saffola edible oil, Saffola oats, Saffola honey, Saffola mayonnaise, Saffola snacks. And in hair there is a Livon, the premium segment hair oil. Nihar also hair care. Parachute is a famous brand. Coco Soul, a beauty product. Satvet is acquired by Marico in 2016, and Fitify. True Elements also in healthy food category. Beardo also acquired by Marico fully in 2020, and then the maximum brand are acquired by the company from different companies, and Pure Sense also acquired by company. Marico Bangladesh brands are Parachutes. Here is the beauty care body lotions, and here is the Parachute. The beauty product में आपका body lotion, cream, face wash, shampoo, baby skin care, hair oil. And here is Nihar also sold in Bangladesh, Lipon in premium category, hair code for hair coloring. Beardo also sold in Bangladesh. The Studiox is another brand related to male grooming. Red King hair oil for hygiene fine wash. Marico Vietnam brands are X-Man. It's a famous sauce in Vietnam. The Lache, Purite, Olive, Beauty related to women care. Marico South Africa brands are Iso Plus. This brand also acquired in 2017 by Marico. This is supplement. It's related to brand is for kids. Marico Middle East brands are Saffola, Hair Code. Saffola is sold in every country. Parachute, Financy. Marico Egypt brands are Hair Code, Financy. And here is the chart of Marico. The stock price the stock price after listing is 12% after splitting off in 2005 and I think 2017, and the current price is around 527, and this is a 4000% return given by Marico, and this is a good stock for a conservative portfolio. Now look at the revenue. The revenue growth is not much good. Also the profit growth is not good. Maybe in the future it will grow accordingly. The gross margin are 34%, 30 in the range of 35 to 40, and not net profit margin around 12% to 10%.